Hey everybody, welcome to your last overview video for Read 860. I will be going over week 16 and finals week, so you will not have an overview for finals week. So let's get started and see what's on the docket for our last 2 weeks together. So here is your course schedule, and you can see that I did break it up into 2 sections. Week 16 and finals week. So you have a few things to do for this week, week 16, and then you'll have one thing to do next week, finals week, which is to just finish your last test. So that is it for finals week. So let's just go through the week and see what's going on. So of course, you've printed your course schedule, so you can just mark these off. And and so I wanted also to read this to you in case you aren't paying attention. It says, a book makes you want to live in the story. A good book makes you want to live in the story. A great book gives you no choice. So my challenge to you is to read more books. Try and find those great books that suck you in. And I will just tell you, when you are reading a book and you don't have to, like it's not for an assignment, you don't have to do anything after the chapter or after a chunk or after anything. It's just reading to get lost in the book, which I really hope that you all did, even though you had assignments to go along with the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. I really hope that you had that experience of getting lost in the book. And I really hope that this summer you find a book that you try and do the same thing with. Sit down, read, get lost in it. Because that experience of getting lost in a book is going to do more for your reading ability than anything else. If you can find a book that you love, that will help you read every other thing, whether you love it or hate it, for the rest of your life. So I really hope that you can do that. And if you want help picking a book, I love talking books. So you just talk to me and we will talk and I will help you. All right. So Monday. So your job for Monday is to finish the practice test. We started that end of the week, week 15. Your job is to do the whole entire thing, and bring it to class on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, you will come to class on Zoom, and we will be working with the practice test. I will answer any questions, and you will do some work with your classmates trying to figure out what your questions are as well. So we will be doing our last class around the practice test. So you're all set to go and ready for the final. On Wednesday you have your very last responsive reading. It's not a very long essay, and it is about Malcolm X. So I'm sure you will enjoy that, and that will be your last writing assignment, your last responsive reading assignment for the semester. And that will be due, of course, on Thursday morning at 8 a.m. And on Thursday, you are going to be doing our end of the semester evaluations. So there are links in the Thursday folder that will bring you to 2 different surveys that you are going to be filling out. One of the surveys is called the course survey, which is right here. And you can see that there's 2 of them here because I have 2 sections of 860. I have one section of section 1 and the other section is section 2. And so obviously you have to fill out the evaluation for your class. And you will only be able to get into your classes. So don't worry about if you forget which section you're in or whatever. wherever you click is going to take you to the correct course survey. And that is the survey that you take in every single class you take at Normandale. So that is your course survey. Other survey is going to be the reading department survey of success. We are just trying to figure out how to meet the needs of all of our students. So it's all anonymous, and we're just going to see what we would like to know how we can help, basically. And so it would be just great if you could be honest and fill out that reading department survey of success so we can work hard at meeting the needs of our future students. So that is Thursday, and that is easy because then on Friday, well, it will open up some time for you to study because on on Thursday, I should say, that I will be in Zoom at 11 o'clock on Thursday in case people want to ask questions. I am not planning like a study session lesson or anything, but there's a study session there that I can answer any other questions and help you with anything that you are still having trouble with. So you are absolutely ready for the test that starts on Friday. So Friday, this is when the test opens. It opens at 8 o'clock in the morning, and you will have access to the test until it closes on Tuesday of finals week at 11:30 p.m. Now, if you open it at 11:25 p.m. on Tuesday, it will still close at 11:30 and you will not have time to take your test. So if you're ready to take it on Friday and then you're done. Okay? If you're not ready to take it on Friday and you don't have plans over the weekend and you just need a little time, take it over the weekend. If you don't want to take it over the weekend, take it on Monday. Or you can even take it during class time on Tuesday. Right? You already have that like scheduled out. So if you would like to take it during class time, that time is available to you. Just remember that there are 2 hours allotted for the test, and then it will shut off. And if you start it and it closes at 11:30 before you're done, it closed. It's done. So you're going to have to plan your time. If I were you, I would not start the test any later than I would do 9:20 on Tuesday, because then you for sure have 2 hours. But I would do it before then. In fact, I would try and get it done, as soon as possible so I could have a little more time for the rest of my classes, because I'm sure you have other classes with other finals. So that is your Friday. Then, after Friday's done, you can see that here's finals week, and I have Tuesday here. Your final is due Tuesday, May 11th at 11:30 p.m. Okay, so just remember that. Tuesday at 11:30, it's over. All done. Okay? And that is a hard deadline. Okay? All right, and then I just have one more thing to say to you, and that is have a wonderful, wonderful summer. I hope that you do take me up on reading a book for fun, for pleasure, to get lost in it. I hope that you get to go to the beach. We have lots of lakes around here. I know that this is the ocean, but we can pretend like the lakes in Minnesota are the ocean, right? We all have great imaginations. And so I just really hope that you have a great summer. I have really, really enjoyed working with you guys this semester, and I know it's been a tough semester. It's been a tough year. It's definitely a historical year that you will be telling your children and grandchildren about for years to come. And hopefully everything will go back to normal next year at some point. I don't know if it will be completely normal by fall, but I hope by spring, if everybody can get it together and our country can get it together, then maybe we can go back to normal. So if you need me, you know where my email is. And once you're my student, you're always my student. So feel free to email me and contact me if you need help with anything, and I will do my very best to help you. I've really enjoyed our time together. So I will see you in class on Tuesday. Have a good week.